What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and we're going to be doing the final market review for the week on the S&P 500. As you can see, the S&P today finally did it, closing up on top of all-time highs, marginally, but still doing it. Positive close on Friday could potentially lead into a positive run starting Monday morning and so forth. But again, we've been talking about this all-time high level as everybody has. And you can see since May here, it has just been a straight up run at all-time high. It took it out today and is closed higher. So the S&P is going to continue moving to the upside, as many people have suspected and thought. And like I said, stocks within the S&P are obviously doing very, very, very well. Earnings season was very good. And price action across the board is moving higher. What we've been doing on our side of things with the S&P remaining bullish is that we've been focusing on a lot of long swing trades. We've been reporting off and on through Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube some of the trades that we've been putting on that have been setting up and moving to profit that we've been tracking. Some of the latest ones are TGT Target, for example, moved up very, very well. Boeing is another one, DISCA, another stock that we've been watching. And recently, BBY has broken out of a resistance level. So as you can see that from the stocks that we're watching, we've been given opportunities as of late, and they've all been moving up to the upside. As of just recently, VKTX, this is something that was setting up that we've been monitoring, and you can see just yesterday it broke out. It's taken a bit of a break today, but I suspect with the S&P taking out all-time highs, this level will very, very easily break at $12, continue up to our first target, and then move forward. If you have any questions about some of the stocks that we're trading, or you want to get some free alerts, or join us in Ask a Trader for free, click the link in the description box below. It is 100% free. We're going to be giving it out for a limited time only. So if you're not a member, by all means, jump on board and become a member. Again, it is absolutely free. So again, here it is, Friday, August 24th, S&P 500 taking out all-time highs. VKTX, again, moving up, like we said, breaking out right through here. And go through some of these old videos, and you'll see that some of the stocks that we've been reviewing have not only broken out and moved into target, but are continuously moving to the upside. Another one that we are watching is USO. It's taken a bit of a break today, but you can see that it has broken out of a resistance level of about 1432, and we're going to be monitoring this for the next little while. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me directly. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. My email address is actually listed just below. And starting Monday, we're going to be rolling out a bunch of free Trader 101 videos. If you have any questions or you want anything put together for you specifically, by all means, reach out, info@jlewistrading.com. If you have a question or you'd like an instructional video put together for you, reach out and team will put it together for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next market recap.